Em. It's what's in the box time. We haven't
Yeah.
done one of these for a while, have we?
Haven't, have we?
Shall we see what's in
It's
here?
quite an exciting looking box.
Yeah.
Gift box.
It's from the RSPB, Royal Society for the Protection of Birds.
Gives it a bit of a clue, doesn't it?
So,
What's inside?
let's have a look.
Ooh!
What we got?
That's exciting.
Well, I've got some dried mealworms. You can have those for lunch if you like.
Very tasty. They'll be nice on toast.
I'm glad they're dry and not those wriggly ones that are still alive.
We've got the nut and nibble feeder. That's the little ones for the nuts.
Have we got any nuts?
Any nuts? Ah, but these will go in the peck and mix.
Peck and mix.
I guess they will go in, will they?
Yeah.
And what else have we got? We've got an ordinary feeder.
Okay.
That's nice. And we've got,
Lots of different feeds. Buggy nibbles.
and we've got these sunflower,
Feeder mix.
Sunflower seeds.
Sunflowers, yeah.
which will go in your seed feeder.
Lovely.
And we've also got a hanging cake, a berry flavour.
Oh,
Sounds
look
tasty.
at that. Yeah. It's like a candle, isn't it?
Yeah. Just put a little bit of string through there and hang it up. That's a really nice little pack.
Oh, and what's this? Suet.
Ah, suet. Ah,
Suet
the
bars.
birds will go mad for that.
Yeah.
Great. It's great to feed your birds in the winter.
And spring.
It is useful on the allotment to feed your birds because obviously there's a lot of birds that will feed a lot of eat a lot of insects
they'll
as well.
need some of the grubs for us, won't they?
Yeah.
They're not. I think there's an idea sometimes that all birds are bad for the garden, but they're not, are they?
No, there's a lot that are very beneficial.
Yes. Yeah.
So that's a great little pack.
Yeah. So that's available from the RSPB.